Good morning. As promised before, we are going to start off this week by the announcement of new Lang Technik products which are going to be released in the next couple of weeks. So without further ado, let's get down to it. First off, I'd like to begin with the new Night King Wise. Probably if you're going to search for this term on Google, you are going to stumble upon this guy. Now unfortunately we are not going to talk about Game of Thrones here, as the name actually represents the new macro grip Wise from Lang Technik. So the Night King Wises are actually meant as budget alternatives to the already existing macro grip 130mm Wise, which is compatible with the Robotrex automation system. What this means is that in the future, if you plan to invest in the Robotrex automation, you will be able to do so with a much lower cost, as the Wises will cost noticeably lower. Lang has achieved this by going down to the basics without sacrificing the accessibility and holding power for which the brand has always been so renowned for. In comparison to the standard macro grip jaws, which are hard machined after heat treatment and finished off once more after the assembly, the Night King ones are actually hardened only after the manufacturing process and then put directly into the Wise body. Now this means that there are some increased tolerances, and this could have a slight effect on the precision and parallelism of the gripping jaws, yet at the same time you will be saving up to 50% of the purchase price. I would still like to add that you can equip your Night King Wises with your existing Avanti, Vario or macro grip jaws, so you can get back part of that precision. That's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed my quick review of the Lang Technik Dark Knight Wise. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay safe and see you next time.